I throw a toast up for that green grass. I don't mean hash, but I mean cash. Talking about the other side where they breeze past. That German import with the easy pass. No tolls, fuck change, throw it away. All gold, silver's just second place. You living your life at a record pace. Always trying to eat dinner off a bigger plate. Always rock a big smile when you hit happy hour. Mixed emotions from your friends when you buy the next round. They love free drinks, but they hate the envy. Little do they know that your soul is empty. You won't feel right till you cop the Bentley, cop the best condo, fuck the renting. On Twitter, holla about what's trending. Block the memory of your work at Friendly's like, I put it down, you pick it up. That's what I hope for, need some more luck. I've been okay so far, but I'm stuck. Like I copped a new couch, but I got no truck. Where's Jay Fells? I got a love seat on Craigslist, and you know it was cheap. One headlight, two friendos. Know we'll find something better in the end. I got my headphones on, so shit, I'm back on it. Thinking about the future, used to hate opponents. Nowadays I love them, they are homies. Give me a hug, I love my new hombres. You talk about us, even when it's mean. I still appreciate the fact we are what you seen. Machiavelli, Malcolm by any means. Spike Lee guaranteed to do the right thing. Complacent, I'm adjacent to what makes sense. Top down in a life we are makeshift. Fuck a 401k, I will make it. Not everyone can, but know the new plan. Be honest with yourself, don't go and be mad when you ask a question like that and you get the truth back like fuck my bad. Green grass is where we all at. Your side is fine, you know you're on that. Keep it neat and cut the high grass. We live till we die, but fuck you knew that. Condescension's never my path, but I lose it sometimes. My drink is my cast. Cover up my scar till I pass. Put the pedal to the floor, this drink is my gas. What's up, everybody? My name is E-Double, and this is Black Paisley. Here we go, yeah. I'm at the bar in my jeans and the shirt I got from Target, talking to some pretty lady. Said their blouse is from the forest. I said great, I don't make clothes, but I could probably make those. Unravel simple stitches when I cut my fucking bead. No tops, no ceilings outside, old buildings looking like an indie picture that they made for the kids. But this kid ain't having it, cause roofs have advantages. I really ain't a fan of all this rain in my drink, so dump it out and grab a fresh John. On to the next one. Cup one, it's over. I am feeling upper echelon. Mistakes have been made and my attitude is shitty, but that's not reason enough to have this party turn pity. So we owe until the sunrise. Loose ends untied, hands stay dumb high, sipping on that Mumbai. Gin and tonics, grease the wheels, lemon lime, the rhymes are peeled. Monsters in the city, so let's run this town like Cloverfield. Raise the roof, love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're feeding for the bass. Lights on, cut them off, we don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind, blind, blind. We are happy where we are. Robots can't drink, but I know that I can. Even on a double dose as I can. Dish that riff-raff, anybody's opiates and arms traded like my veins with Taipan. That's the part of the night where I black out. 2 sheets to the wind, need a snack now. No sheets, no wah-wah, only roll phone when this town stop playing Joe Stockhouse. I got my vices, they got the ices, and maybe we trapped all the nice shit. So take a knee, man, and drink a schmear off. It's not my cup of tea, so I veer off. I'm on my way now, vision quest out. Headphones and my battery is full power. Fuck a cab cause the music drives me. Solo ride time cause my mind got high beam. The Gatorade soothes me, but I'm choosy. Original colors cause the others never wooed me. No problem, I'm on that fruit punch, can't bully me. I never lose lunch, in other words I rarely vomit. Frequency is that of the Haley Comet. Unless I'm on the mic then it's fairly common. If I capture the stomach like a virgin raise and roll, love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're feeding through the bass. Lights on, cut them off, we don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind, blind, blind. We are happy where we are. When the sun comes back and my lungs are full of arrogance, recall the night's events. Hope I wasn't acting arrogant, but I probably was. I was sipping on the Seraphim, purchased by some bougie broads who thought I was a terrapin. Goddamn, I'm a turtle with a hard shell, stubborn as a used car dealer with his hard sell. But I ain't buying it, I can still retire this. Put the bottle down, pick it up and get higher. Raise the roof, love the shakes, let it burn with every taste. Sipping hard until it's easy and you're feeding through the bass. Lights on, cut them off, we don't need them shits at all. We are blind to all their facts, but we are happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. Happy where we are. We are blind, blind, blind. We are happy where we are. Yeah.